issue of high risk, I just want to deal with this issue for 1 minute, because I feel that that is the basis of everything that correctional services conducting themselves on. High risk, Your Honor, rises on 3 security assessments. Now, high risk cannot be on an allegation. Section 35 is very clear. You are innocent until proven guilty. I have not been convicted of escape. So you cannot classify me as a high risk on an allegation. In my conduct with the file that Correctional Service sits with for 13 years, I have not even been found with one infringement. My bringing to this center or other centers, there is no other conduct that they can state that this is what Mr. Bester has been convicted on in the facilities of correctional services, or this is what he has done, this is the threat he has posed, this is the conduct he has done. I've done nothing. The only problem here is the proceedings before the criminal trial. And that is the reason they have raised this issue. Even in my transfer out of CMEX, I was stated by the head of center, the regional commissioner said that I will only be transferred to a medium center once the trial is concluded in Bloemfontein. But beyond and after that, I have no other security reasons that have arisen. It is just a profile issue of this is Thabo Bester and this is the treatment he will receive.
Hello, good people. Welcome to the channel. Please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thabo Bester lana nje ulwa ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi nje akafuni ukuya eKongstad. So please comment below and let us know, what do you think about this saga yaga Thabo Bester? Because Thabo Bester mina, according to mina nje uyingozi. So nje uyakudeserve ukuya eKongstad, uyingozi. Phela singakhohlwa ukuthi Thabo Bester weqa ejail. So nje uyakudeserve ukuya eKongstad because dangerous uThabo Bester. Usengaphinda nje ashisisele athi ushonile, bambambe sebambambe eMathanzana. Please comment below and tell us, what do you think about lento kaThabo Bester? Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.